Make your style your own with this Custom Stencil T-Shirt Project from DesignerStencils.com. First, remove any lint and iron your shirt to remove any wrinkles. For best results, wrap your shirt around a cardboard box with the stencil area positioned in the center. Depending on its size, the design should be placed between 2 and 3 inches below the collar. Next, spray the backside of your stencil with repositionable spray adhesive following the instructions printed on the can. Place the stencil and press to ensure good adhesion. Thoroughly shake your bottle of Americana acrylic paint and pour out a small amount on a paper plate. Add an equal amount of Deco Art fabric medium and mix until completely blended. Now, load the high-density foam roller by rolling it in one direction and gradually picking up more and more paint on each pass. This will help to make sure the paint is loaded evenly. Before applying the first coat, remove excess paint by rolling the roller on a stack of paper towels a few times. Apply the color using multiple light, even coats. Reload the roller as often as needed, but don't forget to include the fabric medium. Once finished, carefully peel off the stencil to reveal your unique shirt design. If desired, you can clean your stencil using soap and water. Make sure the stencil is completely dry prior to reuse. If your stencil contains different colored elements, use frog tape painter's tape to mask off the area that you're not currently stenciling. For this stencil, I mixed 2 different colors, avocado and leaf green, to achieve the desired shade. Mix the colors thoroughly before adding the fabric medium. If you're finding that your shirt is becoming a bit too wet and is starting to stretch underneath the stencil, allow the paint to dry for a bit before adding more. Once finished with one color, simply remove the old tape and apply new tape to mask off the area you just completed. Mix the next color with fabric medium and resume stenciling. Once again, remove the stencil and voila! To help the paint dry, use a blow dryer on the low setting. To lock in the color and protect it during wear and washing, Lay some fabric over top and use an iron to heat the design. Your custom stencil t-shirt is ready for the runway. Okay, maybe just the produce aisle at your favorite grocery store. But still, you'll be turning heads while you turn that head of cabbage to check its quality. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.